Video, we are assembling the number one dad box card, and we're going to start with these two pieces here. These are the outside, these make up the box, so it has the 1/2 inch tab and the 1.5 inch tab, and I'm just going to connect these two together without closing it up. Just like this. Okay. Now this also has this piece here. This is a panel for the front. Matches it exactly except for right here on the very end where it curves RD, because this is straight to make the box. Okay, so you can go ahead and put this on now, but I would put the glue on this base piece so that you're not getting glue on the edge there that hangs over. Also, you don't want to put the glue here on your tab. You don't want to glue it to that tab. So you just want to line this up. Get some of this extra glue off. Okay. Now I have put foam tape here on my letters. I want these to pop up. I get my foam tape at the Dollar Tree. Comes in rolls like this, already pre-cut rectangles. It's in the hardware section. I'm just trying to eyeball making these letters straight across. Okay, almost done here. There we go. Okay, I've already put together the panel that's for the back. So we can go ahead and adhere this piece. And flip it over. Okay, these are your inside pieces. I've already done some of the gluing in place with the star in the middle, just to help the process along faster a little bit. So these two stars I'm doing down flat. I have foam tape on the star that's going in the center. And then this has 3 layers. I'm just going to put that right here in the center. Okay, I'm going to pull in this piece. I've also put some foam tape on the back of my number 1. So I'm going to glue down my stars. There's 3 layers for these stars. Okay, so this is the front layer, this is the back layer. I'm going to go ahead and fold this on the score lines. And so I'm just going to apply glue to this tab. I'm laying it flat across the back with the tabs out straight so that I can glue it to this edge. Open it, fold this back. I'll do the same thing with this one. Put glue on your tab. Being careful not to go over the edge. Now this time, this one's going to lay in here right on top of the piece in front of it. And then we're just going to glue this down. Then the side for this one is here to the right. So I'm going to put glue on my tabs and fold this over. So when you put glue on your tabs, again, you don't want the glue to go over the edge, so I just do it right inside so that I don't have a chance of gluing my 2 layers together. I just want them to glue here to the tab. I'm recording. Then we're going to put glue here on this tab. Slide it in there. It's a little bit tight because my D, fold it both ways. And then there it is, number 1 dad. Thank you for joining me.